Oh dear. The raccoons have been out. What else have they destroyed? It drizzled last night. They pulled that one over. Well, they left the corn alone. Didn't get in there. Ooh, I see some of the beets are coming up. Or weeds, either one. Maybe they just played in the water. Ah, the artichoke is starting to bloom. Look out and see. Okay, I didn't find it. Now there it is. Ah, pretty. That's going to be a really nice size flower. Oh, my first purple whole pea blossom. It's pretty. Lavender and a deep fuchsia. Ah. And then, of course, we got these. They're starting to bloom, my purple pod beans. Ooh, I see a banana and strawberry smoothie for breakfast. Oh, I see I missed a strawberry. I'm going to go put this in with the strawberries. Break some of the seeds loose and see if I can get them to sprout. Oh, I've got tiny little beans. Look at them. Oh, everything else is just getting started on blooming. But I have beans over here.
No time to stop. I've got places to go and people to see. I've got to hurry, 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 hurry.